was, finally enjoying my snack time. Bowl full, sun warm, life perfect. Then I felt something behind me. I turn around, and there's Daisy standing there like she's totally innocent. I look back at my bowl, and boom, one snack is gone. And guess who has crumbs on her beak? Yeah, her. So I start sniffing around like a real detective, and what do I find? Big duck-shaped footprints leading right to my bowl. The evidence was embarrassing for her. Then she steals another treat and runs like she's in some action movie. I'm chasing her. She's zigzagging, pure chaos. But at the end, she brings me a tiny leaf as an apology. A leaf, I mean. It was cute. So we shared my snacks. Turns out crime scenes are more fun when your best friend is the criminal.